Picture a sleek red sports car zipping along the French Riviera, the wind in your hair, the sun shining brightly, and the azure waters of the Mediterranean glistening beside you. This is not just any car, it's a symbol of elegance, performance, and French craftsmanship. The sun glints off the chrome as the engine roars, a symphony of power and precision. Every detail, from the sleek lines to the powerful engine, speaks of a legacy built on excellence and innovation. That's Renault, a name synonymous with French automotive excellence for over a century. From the iconic logo that graces the hood to the cutting-edge technology under the bonnet, Renault has always been at the forefront of automotive design and engineering. From humble beginnings in a small workshop in Boulogne-Billancourt, Renault has become a global automotive titan. It all started with a young Louis Renault, who had a vision to create vehicles that would change the way people moved and lived. Over the years, Renault has produced some of the most iconic, innovative and beloved cars the world has ever seen. From the classic Renault 4 to the futuristic concept cars, each model tells a story of creativity and forward thinking. It's a story of passion, ingenuity, and a relentless pursuit of progress. Engineers and designers working tirelessly, sketching, testing, and perfecting each model to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Renault's journey is a microcosm of the automotive industry itself. It mirrors the evolution of car manufacturing, from the early days of handcrafted vehicles to the modern era of automated production lines and advanced robotics. It reflects the evolution of the automobile from rudimentary contraptions to technological marvels. The transformation is evident when you compare the early models with today's high-tech vehicles, showcasing the leaps and bounds made in design, safety, and efficiency. It embodies the spirit of innovation that has driven the industry forward, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Renault's concept cars and cutting-edge features are a testament to their commitment to staying ahead of the curve. So, buckle up as we take a thrilling ride through the history of Renault, exploring the key moments and milestones that have shaped this iconic brand. From the early days of motor racing to the latest advancements in electric vehicles, Renault's story is one of continuous evolution and adaptation. We'll delve into the mind of its founder, Louis Renault, and witness his groundbreaking creations come to life. His vision and determination laid the foundation for a brand that would go on to become a symbol of French ingenuity and excellence in the automotive world. The story of Renault begins not in a boardroom but in a shed with a young man named Louis Renault. Born in 1877, Louis was obsessed with engines and mechanics from a young age. He was a tinkerer, an innovator, a visionary. In 1898, at the tender age of 21, Louis built his first car, the Voiturette Type A. This wasn't just another car, it was a revolution. The Type A featured a groundbreaking innovation, a direct-drive gearbox. This invention, patented by Louis himself, would change the course of automotive history. The Type A was an instant sensation. Orders poured in, and Louis, along with his brothers Mansell and Fernand, established the Société Renault Frères in 1899. The Renault brothers were on their way to building an empire. Louis's genius lay not only in his technical prowess, but also in his understanding of the market. He recognized the need for affordable, reliable cars for the masses. This vision would guide Renault for decades to come. The early 20th century was a period of rapid growth and innovation for Renault. The company expanded its production, introducing new models that captured the imagination of the public. One such model was the Renault AX, launched in 1908. The AX was a robust and reliable car that quickly became a bestseller. It solidified Renault's position as a leading automaker in France and beyond. Renault wasn't just about building cars, it was about pushing the boundaries of automotive technology. The company embraced new ideas and was at the forefront of several key innovations. One notable example was the development of the Taxi de la Marne. These were Renault taxis that played a pivotal role in transporting troops during World War I, earning the company a reputation for reliability and patriotism. Section 4. War and Innovation. World War I tested the mettle of nations and industries alike. The global conflict brought about unprecedented challenges and required extraordinary resilience and ingenuity from all involved. For Renault, it was a time of great challenge but also of remarkable innovation. The company, known for its automobiles, had to pivot quickly to meet the demands of a world at war. The company's factories were mobilized for the war effort, producing trucks, ambulances, and even aircraft engines. This shift in production showcased Renault's versatility and ability to adapt to the needs of the time. But perhaps the most significant contribution of Renault during this period was the development of the FT-17 tank. This innovative piece of machinery would go on to change the face of warfare. Designed in the trenches to break the stalemate of trench warfare, the FT-17 was a game-changer. It provided a new way to navigate the deadly and stagnant battlefields that had come to define World War I. The FT-17 was a revolutionary weapon. Its design was unlike anything that had been seen before, and it quickly proved its worth on the battlefield. Its innovative design, featuring a rotating turret and a low profile, set it apart from other tanks of the era. The rotating turret allowed for greater flexibility and range of motion, making it a formidable opponent in combat. This design set the standard for tank design for decades to come. The principles established by the FT-17 can still be seen in modern tanks, a testament to its groundbreaking nature. The FT-17 was a testament to Renault's engineering prowess and its commitment to serving the nation in times of need. The engineers and workers at Renault poured their skills and dedication into creating a machine that would make a significant impact on the war effort. It cemented the company's place in history, not just as an automaker, but as a pioneer in military technology. The success of the FT-17 brought Renault international recognition and respect. Renault's contributions during the war extended beyond the battlefield. The company's innovations in military technology had far-reaching effects, influencing the development of future military vehicles and strategies. After the war, Renault returned to its automotive roots, but the experience had a profound impact on the company. The lessons learned and the innovations developed during the war would continue to influence Renault's approach to engineering and manufacturing. The post-war period saw Renault applying the knowledge and skills gained during the conflict to its civilian products. The company's ability to innovate under pressure and adapt to changing circumstances became a core part of its identity. It had demonstrated its ability to innovate under pressure and to adapt to changing circumstances. This adaptability and commitment to innovation would continue to drive Renault forward, shaping its future and ensuring its place as a leader in the automotive industry. Section 5: Renault and the thrill of motorsport. For any car enthusiast, the roar of engines, the smell of burning rubber, and the sight of cars speeding around a track evoke a special kind of thrill. It's a sensory experience that transcends mere transportation, becoming a symphony of power, precision, and passion. The world of motorsport is where engineering meets adrenaline, and few names are as synonymous with this exhilarating domain as Renault. Renault has been a part of this world since the early days of motorsport. The company's journey began in the early 20th century, a time when racing was as much about daring and bravery as it was about speed. Renault's early race cars were marvels of their time, showcasing the brand's commitment to innovation and performance. From the very first organized races, Renault cars have been pushing the limits of speed and endurance. These early competitions were grueling tests of both man and machine, and Renault's participation was a testament to their engineering prowess and competitive spirit. The brand quickly made a name for itself, not just as a car manufacturer, but as a pioneer in the world of motorsport. The company's involvement in motorsport wasn't just about winning, it was about testing new technologies, pushing the boundaries of performance, and showcasing the spirit of innovation that defined the brand. Each race was an opportunity to learn, to improve, and to demonstrate Renault's commitment to excellence. The lessons learned on the track often found their way into the company's production cars, benefiting everyday drivers. One of the most iconic chapters in Renault's motorsport history unfolded in the world of Formula One. The pinnacle of racing, F1 is where the best of the best compete, and Renault's entry into this arena marked a significant milestone. The brand's dedication to innovation and performance was on full display, and the results were nothing short of spectacular. In the 1970s, Renault entered F1 as an engine supplier, introducing turbocharged engines to the sport. This was a revolutionary move that changed the face of F1, ushering in an era of increased power and technological sophistication. The turbocharged engines were a game changer, providing a significant boost in performance and setting new standards in the sport. This revolutionary move changed the face of F1, ushering in an era of increased power and technological sophistication. The introduction of turbocharged engines was a bold step that paid off handsomely, as Renault's engines quickly became the benchmark for performance and reliability. The impact of this innovation was felt throughout the sport, influencing the design and development of F1 cars for years to come. Renault's turbocharged engines dominated F1 in the 1980s, powering teams like Williams, Lotus, and Benetton to multiple championships. The success of these teams was a testament to the quality and performance of Renault's engines, which were known for their power, efficiency, and reliability. The dominance of Renault-powered cars during this period was a clear indication of the brand's engineering excellence and competitive spirit. Drivers like Alain, Prost, and Nigel Mansell achieved legendary status behind the wheel of Renault-powered cars. Their skill and determination, combined with the superior performance of Renault's engines, made them formidable competitors on the track. These drivers became icons of the sport, and their success helped to cement Renault's reputation as a leader in motorsport. The legacy of Renault in F1 is a story of innovation, excellence, and a relentless pursuit of victory.